Hi everyone, and welcome to another session from BlueDAG University. I'm Jonathan, a client support specialist here at BlueDAG, and in this video, we'll be diving into Modified Master Findings Overlays, a feature that helps streamline your accessibility evaluations while increasing consistency and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned BlueDAG user or just getting started, this tool can save you valuable time in the field and during quality control. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at how to access the overlay feature. From the BlueDAG portal dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, click on Finding Content, then select Master Findings. Once the Master Findings list loads, choose the finding you want to customize. For this demonstration, we'll start with the first item in the list. As the Master Finding opens, you'll notice that the core content of the finding, like the group, subtypes, and regulatory standards, is view-only. That's by design to preserve the integrity of the finding across the system. But if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the Modify button. Clicking this allows you to overlay specific custom content onto that master finding, content that will then carry over when this finding is used in future evaluations. Once you confirm your intent to modify, you're ready to start customizing. Here's what you can modify. Feature and item. Define what this finding typically applies to in your evaluations, like main entry ramp or parking space surface. Recommendation. Preload the corrective action your team typically uses. Default status. Set this finding to open, closed, or any other default status used in your process. Barrier priority. Apply your standard priority level, such as high, medium, or low. Figure. Upload a diagram or image specific to your organization to replace the default figure. Budget information. Enter a range or specific value, depending on your subscription settings. Remediation path. Define the expected steps or responsible party for addressing this barrier. Some fields, like the group, barrier type, finding text, and barrier standards, can't be changed in overlays. These are core components and must remain standardized to maintain code compliance. Once you've entered your overlay data, click Save. A message will confirm your modified finding was successfully saved. Let's see how this works in a real evaluation. We'll head into the Facilities section and open an evaluation. From the Findings tab, click Add Finding. Choose your barrier group and subtype. Let's use accessible routes, exterior, and then select vertical change, greater than 1/4 inch. Once the finding loads, you'll notice that the feature, item, recommendation, and priority fields are already populated based on the overlay we created. Even the figure and budget range are pre-filled, depending on what you included. This saves time, reduces repetitive data entry, and ensures consistency across your evaluations. Now, let's look at how to apply these modified findings to work that's already been done. If you're reviewing or updating an evaluation, use the Modify Findings button. This feature allows you to apply your modified overlay data, like priority, recommendation, or budget, to all findings in that evaluation. Just check the boxes next to the attributes you want to update and confirm. It's a great way to apply standardized information retroactively, especially during quality control. Do note that this feature currently works only in the portal. Support for overlays in the mobile app is coming by the end of the year. Another way to apply modified findings is while you're actively reviewing an individual finding. If you come across a finding that needs updated overlay info, click the Change link. When the menu loads, you'll have the option to jump straight to the Modify screen. This shortcut lets you make adjustments on the fly, without having to leave the evaluation, search for the master finding, and navigate back again. It's a big time saver for quality assurance. There are also some exciting improvements on the horizon. Soon, when applying overlays to existing findings, the system will ask if you want to overwrite existing data. This will give you the ability to preserve field-specific values that were intentionally updated in the field, providing more flexibility and control during data application. So whether you're setting field defaults or batch updating evaluations, you'll always have the option to protect field-level decisions made during inspections. And that's a complete walkthrough of modified master findings overlays in BlueDAG. This feature is designed to help you work smarter, standardize your reporting, and streamline your ADA compliance process. Thanks for watching this BlueDAG University training video. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other sessions in the series. See you next time.